Welcome, my friends. You are in the right place if you are ready to nail down your message for your Substack. This is episode 3, Substack Starter Show. Write your About section. Let's get started. If you are in the Substack home, remember we want to get back to the dashboard. So we click on Dashboard and bring this back up. Now your Getting Started is going to talk about subscriptions. We don't want to do that yet. Again, we want to nail down our message and know exactly what we're talking about so that when we have our subscribers, they'll know exactly what they're talking about too. So we're here to update the About section. There are 2 ways to do this. A quick and easy way is over here on the left-hand side, under the name of your publication, click on Website, and you'll see the website and the menu at the top, and click on About, and click on Edit, and wham, bam, we're ready to go ahead and edit and put our information in. The other way is to go to Settings. As we scroll down, you're going to find the About page, and you can click on Edit. And as you can see, it gets you to the exact same page. Now, if any of this ever doesn't look exactly the same, sometimes they're going to change things around. Don't worry about it. You've got the general idea of what to do now, and that'll work great for you. So now, to edit this, we're going to again go to AI. We have the prompt from the checklist, put it right in there, and have it ask us some questions. What are our themes or topics? Why are you starting this publication? Who your ideal reader is? What do you want readers to feel? And how often do you want to publish? I gave my information. Then it's going to give you a nice paragraph that you can use just as is. I asked for a little bit more information, and it gave it to me. So you can play with it. That's what's great about AI. You can take bits and pieces and ask it to rewrite it. But you get what you wanted, and then you come in here. I just did a copy and paste, and I'm going to paste it right in. About AI Unplugged. Welcome. Now this why subscribe was there before. You can leave that in there, or you could just remove that part. But I'd leave the subscribe now there so that they've got that button there nice for you. Just get that cleaned up and click on Save. Can you go over and over this paragraph? Yes. Can you wonder if you should add this or that or another thing? Absolutely you can. Don't, not this first time, get something in there. Get it a little nicer than the default one so you have something personal. Yes, you can add a picture in there if you want. You don't have to. Just get it in there, and then we'll have got the About done, and we're getting ready. One more step closer. All right, friends, keep it simple, keep it clear. We're getting our Substack out there in the world. See you next video.